Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk about my Birchbox. So I figured I would do an unboxing. I'm going to talk about the products, and then I did try using them on some of the makeup I did today. So I will insert me using them in this video. So anyway guys, this is the box for the month of, what are we in? April. So anyway, I'm a little late getting to the post office, but this is the box for this month. Typically, when you get them, you open them up and they usually have a little card in them. So this one here, the theme is all about Earth, recycling for Earth Day and things like that. And then it kind of goes into talking about your mind, body, and soul. So this is the card, guys. It kind of tells you a little bit about what the theme is. And then when you turn the card around, it has the products and their prices. So anyway guys, one product I did not use just because I used dry shampoo today, and that would be this product here, the Briogeo Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. Now I don't know if I'm saying that correctly guys, but that's what this product looks like right here. Like I said, I haven't tried this, but in the future if I do, I will let you know how this is. If you have used this, let us know in the description box for people that are watching this. So the next products that I used is the Vasanti BrightenUp Enzymati Face Rejuvenator. This is an exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. So basically you want to use this 3 to 5 times a week to improve your skin's texture, to reveal softer, brighter, and younger looking skin. Now obviously I use this once, so I can't really give you guys a, honest and true review on this because I don't know how well it works. I did use it and my skin did feel nice and soft after, but regarding more youthful glowing skin, I can't really tell you that because I've only used it once. One thing I have to say that kind of annoys me about Birchbox is they do tend to repeat their products. I had this in the past and I swear to God I've seen this at least 3 times. So Birchbox, can we like change it up a bit? Even if it was a year ago, I remember the majority of the stuff I get and I don't want to keep getting this, okay? So I have used it a few times in the past. Have I noticed a huge difference in my skin? Not really. Does it exfoliate? Yes, and it did make my skin feel soft. So I would recommend this. By the way, the full size of this is $24 and the full size of this is $34. The blow drying spray or cream, whatever the hell that was, that's $24. So anyway guys, the next product that I went in with, which I did try, is the liquid eyeliner. This is by Eyeko London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in Black. So this is a typical eyeliner. It has the felt tip right there. I used this. It did a decent job. I do have to say it's a very hard tip. This is not a flexible tip at all. It's very, very hard. It's very pointed at the end, so you should be able to get a really nice flick with this. So it did the job. It's supposedly smudge proof. I just did my makeup, so I can't really say whether or not it is smudge proof or not. But yeah, so this did a pretty decent job, this eyeliner. I'm not mad at it. So the next product, which I've heard a lot about, and I actually didn't go out and buy this, so I'm happy. This is probably my favorite product that came in the box. This is by Benefit, the BADgal Bang. It comes in a box like this. I went ahead and used this. Obviously I have false lashes on today, but you will see me when I insert the video here. What it looked like on one eye. So I use it on the lower lashes as well, and that obviously is not false, my lower lashes. So overall I thought this did a pretty good job, although I did one quick coat with this because I was gonna put lashes on. If this is something that you want to use several coats of, I have a feeling I will not like this because I like to use a few coats to add volume. This, even with one coat, looked like it was clumping my eyelashes too much together. Now the claims on this is for a streamline, for big volume with 360-degree reach, gravity defying formula with aero particles, massive volume without weighing down lashes. 90% saw dramatic volume. So yeah, it did add volume. It did add black color to my lashes, but I do think if I used numerous coats of this, it would look way too spidery for me. It did do a really nice job on the lower lashes, so I will let you guys know what I think of this in the future. I'm gonna try a few more times without using lashes and I'll see what I think. The full version of this is $24 and the full size of that eyeliner was $22. So the last product in here is a brand that I haven't heard of. It is from Jane Iredale, Just Kissed Lip and Cheek Stain in Forever Pink. You will see me use this. I didn't keep it on because cool tone pinks look horrible on me. I do not like them at all. So this is a super tiny one. The full size of this, by the way, is $25. So it goes up like this. You get this much product in it. It smells like gummy candy, like fruit gummies or something, you know, those like little kid ones and all the different characters. That's what this smells like, guys. And I wonder if I swatch it on my hand, if it'll come out pink. When I put it on my lips, it did add a pink stain. Putting it on my hand, it doesn't really add too much color. I put it right up there, but yeah, it's turning a little bit pink. Can you guys see that up there? That little bit of a pink line right there. So that's what I used for this. I did not use this on my cheek because this is very oily feeling, so I don't know how powders would lay on top of this. I have a feeling that might be a little funky. If I was going for a really natural look and I just wanted a little bit of flush to my cheeks, I would maybe try this, but I was not going to use that today because I have a feeling that wouldn't have worked out too well. But it looked like it stained my lips a pretty pink color, and I think it did look nice overall. So anyway, guys, that's all that I got in the box today. Like I said, the thing that I was most happy about was this mascara because I've really been wanting to try it. But also, like I said, I've seen this before, and I'm pretty certain I've seen this before as well. So these are two products I have gotten in my box in the past, which I dislike. Can we change it up a bit? I don't want the same stuff all the time. So guys, that is that for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more unboxing videos and me trying out the products. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.